Are you still manually making cuts and trying to line it up with the beat of the music and figure out where that beat even is? You need to stop doing that. Resolve can automatically detect the beats for you right here in the edit page and make that editing to the beat super quick and easy. Let's check it out. In my timeline here, I've got a song that I want to use and I want to edit to the beat so that my footage looks awesome and matches the beat of the music. Now, quick disclaimer, it is only available in the studio version, so if you don't have the studio version, you're not going to see this feature in there. So I can come to my clip in the timeline, my music clip. I'm going to right click on that and we've got this right here, show music beats. I'm just going to go ahead and select that. The AI is going to detect the beats of your music and then it's going to show the beats on the music clip so we know where to put our clips. Now real quick, it works best with 4/4 time signatures and 3/4 time signatures if you know what that means. If you don't worry about it. But it looks like it's done already. Let me zoom in on the timeline. And just like that, we've got our beats on our music track. Now I've got a couple clips right here that I'm going to go ahead and throw on our timeline here, match it to the beats, and I'm going to show you that little sequence. So easy to edit to the beat here. It's nice that all my clips snap to the beats that are laid out here in DaVinci Resolve. Super easy. The playhead snaps to it as well as the clips. You could just line everything up really quick and really easy. And then here's what I end up with.
Baby, we're two old souls with a past we don't want to forget. You got that throwback style, sunflower skirt, hippie chick silhouette. Yeah, we love looking back to another time, another place on the map. But baby, we need to quit looking in the rear view, stop living in the past. 'Cause there's a world right here in this wild town. And if there's a place that we need to be right now.
And there we go. We've got a nice little video that's edited to the beat. If you like this quick tip, consider subscribing for more quick tips. I love to help you guys out. My goal here is to help you to be able to edit faster in DaVinci Resolve, help your audio to sound better because I'm an audio guy. Got lots of good audio stuff for you. And really just take away the mystery inside of DaVinci Resolve so that you can just get in there and feel confident in what you're doing. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.